How to Find the Area of a Chocolate Bar by McKenna, Hannah, and Andrea.
Step 1. Measure the length of the chocolate bar. Each piece is equal to 1 inch. The length would be 7 inches.
Step 2. Measure the width of the chocolate bar. The width would be 4 inches.
Step 3. Multiply the length and width, so it would be 4 times 7.
Multiple choice question. What is the answer of the chocolate? What is the area of the chocolate bar? A, 49 square inches, B, 28 square inches, or C, 32 square inches? The answer is B, 28 square inches.
And that's how you find the area of a chocolate bar.
Thanks for watching.